Have you ever wondered why we spend one-third of our lives asleep? In a world full of quick fixes, pills, vitamins, and energy drinks, there's one natural supplement that outperforms them all, and that's sleep. In this video, we'll dive into why sleep is more powerful than any supplement, and why skipping it could be silently wrecking your body and mind. When you sleep, your brain doesn't shut down. It switches gears. While you dream, it's sorting memories, clearing toxins, and literally reorganizing your mind. That foggy feeling after a bad night? That's because your brain couldn't clean up properly. And no pill can do this. Deep, consistent sleep is like a nightly software update, making you sharper, faster, and more creative. Studies show that lack of sleep is linked to anxiety, depression, and irritability. When we sleep too little, our stress hormone, cortisol, stays high. That's like keeping your body in fight or flight mode 24/7. On the other hand, regular quality sleep balances those chemicals, leaving you calmer, happier, and emotionally stable, all without expensive supplements or therapy apps. Your body also does serious repair work during sleep. Muscles rebuild, your immune system ramps up to fight off infections, your heart rate slows and blood pressure drops, all reducing the risk of serious illnesses like heart disease and diabetes. In fact, skipping a few hours of sleep can decrease immune cell activity by up to 70%. That's why pulling an all-nighter can leave you sick and run down. There are shelves of supplements that promise to boost immunity, energy, focus, but none of them can match the proven power of a solid night's sleep. Even top athletes say sleep is their most important recovery tool. You can take all the vitamins you want, but without enough deep rest, you'll never truly thrive. In the end, sleep is nature's most powerful, built-in supplement, free, natural, and endlessly beneficial. Before reaching for the next quick fix, remember this: your body and brain don't need magic pills. They need what they've needed all along: more sleep. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe for more deep dives into the surprising science behind everyday life, only on Voxoro.